Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This car is in, I consider, highly original condition with just 55,000 miles on it. Two-owner car, 305 under the hood. Factory T-tops, factory Z28 wheels, Cooper Cobra, Radial GT, raised white letter tires, red cars, silver trim, all original black interior. I'd say the paint is probably 75% original. It may have been touched up in a spot or two that we don't know about, but power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, cruise control, AM, FM. It does have an aftermarket CD player in it. Factory T-top car. The factory clock even works. Kenwood CD player. Dash does have a crack right in the center and a crack right here. Dash lights work, horn works, oil pressure, voltage gauge, gas gauge, tach, left turn. Oh, right turn's not working. Rear window defrost. Does have a Bluetooth stereo in it. Power trunk. Power windows. There goes that right turn signal. I thought that thing was working earlier. Cigarette lighter. Power door locks. Little scuffed here getting in. Does have a couple little door ding there. A small little, I don't know, it's hard to see. So it's got just a small little crease right here. Kind of see if you get, there you go, you kind of see it. Not terrible, but it is there. I can point that out to you. Tail light, turn signals, license plate lights. T-top covers, car cover. Got the shade back there. Pretty cool car. First year this body style. So yes, it is collectible. Not gonna be a huge dollar car. Got a little scuff here on the bumper. Small little crack there, little scuff. Hood light works. RPO codes. Just a nice, clean old car. Hood insulator still there. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. T-tops are in good shape. Them two dome lights work. That bulb might be burnt out. Dome light down there on the floor works. Interior is very nice. Seats are very nice shape. Them sail panels, the rear trunk compartment, armrests. Say the clock even works. I'm gonna put this car on for $14,900. I think it's a great car. We probably got somewhere close to that in it, so We're not making, you know, a whole lot of money on the car, but hey, we're in the business to sell them, not collect them. So there she goes, down the road motors. We will take it out for a little spin here. It's been raining today, but the roads are pretty much dried off. So we'll take her for a little spin. I don't know why that's weird. That little, the choke light's coming on. Never even seen that come on before. Right down the road. Nice running, driving car. Trying to figure out that radio for you. Turns on. I don't know what button turns it to source. And the speedometer's pretty cool too. It's got the miles per hour over here and the kilometers per hour over there. So you got the best of both worlds there. You got miles per hour and kilometers. Got good oil pressure. Brakes work good on the car. Slows it right down. No problem. I'll get it out. I'll get out right here and do a little walk around for you. There we go. Nice little car, like you say, $14,900 for a first year of this body style. 82 Z28 T-top car with 55,000 miles. I think very, very fair deal for somebody. Give me a call, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Again, that's K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So there we go. There. The car's not slow either. It's fun to drive. It'll squeal the tires. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you soon.